Welcome back to the same lesson, that is our Karnataka. Today we will be seeing about the uniqueness of this division. First we will see about Bengaluru Urban District. Bengaluru Urban District. Bengaluru is the capital of Karnataka. Vidhana Soudha, the administrative center of Karnataka state government, is in Bengaluru. The High Court of the state also is here. Lal Bagh and Cubbon Park are established during the rule of British. And Nandi Hills, a summer resort, is also found. And we have heavy public industries as well as private industries in Bengaluru Urban District. There are 4 taluks in this Bengaluru Urban District, and the Brihat Bengaluru Mahanagara Palika oversees the administration of Bengaluru city. That is, the BBMP will be looking after the administration of Bengaluru city. And we have many scenic spots are there. Bengaluru National Park is also there. And we have in the Bannerghatta National Park, we can see the freely roaming wild animals. And we can also see the snake park also is present there. Now we will see about the famous temples. Many temples like Someshwara Temple of Alsore, Gavi Gangadeshwar Temple, which belongs to the Nadaprabhu Kempegowda region, Dodda Basavana Temple, and Dharmaraya Swami Temple, and Kote Venkata Ramana Temple are also found. These are the important temples. And we have many churches. St. Andrew's Church, St. Joseph's Church are also found. Similarly, many masjids that are sacred to Muslims are also found here. A masjid, that is Quadria Masjid, was built recently in 1981, and Bilal Masjid was built on Bannerghatta Road in 2015. So again, we have many more temples are there. That is, in Bangalore city itself, we have the Basilica Church, St. Mary's Basilica Church, and St. Mark's Cathedral. Next we will see about the Bengaluru Rural District. Bengaluru Rural District. In Bengaluru Rural District, it came into existence in 1986. There are 4 taluks, namely Nelamangala, Dodbalapura, Devanahalli, and Hoskote. Shivagange in Nelamangala taluk is a famous religious place, and we have Kempegowda International Airport is in Devanahalli. This is about the Bengaluru Rural District. Now we will see about the Ramanagara District. Ramanagara District. So, the district was formed on 23rd August 2007, and there are 4 taluks, namely Channapatna, Kanakapura, Ramanagara, and Magadi. These are the 4 taluks. The district is a fast-growing industrial hub of Karnataka. Ramanagara, it is the fast-growing hub of Karnataka, and another one more industrial center is there, that is Bidadi. It is also a prominent center of the state, and there are thousands of small and medium scale industries that are operating here. And this Ramanagara is famous for 2 products, that is Channapatna wooden toys and silk. Which are the 2? Channapatna wooden toys and silk. These are the 2 famous products of Ramanagara district. So next we will see about the Chikbalapura district. Chikbalapura district. So Kolar was divided to create Chikbalapura district, which was divided Kolar. It was formed on November 10th, 2007. There are 6 taluks and we can find Nandi Durga, which is a hill stations, and many of the temples are also there. Kaivara of Chintamani is a place known for a mystic Tataya. And in 1938, flag satyagraha was held against the British. A memorial is built here in memory of that event. And Sidlagatte is a known business center. It is famous for silk business. So Sidlagatte is famous for silk business. So what is the important here? When was the Kolar district called Chikbalapura district formed? Kolar district was divided to create Chikbalapura district, and it was formed on November 10th, 2007, and it is having 6 taluks. Okay, next we will see about the Kolar district. Kolar district. The moment one hears the word Kolar, we will be remembering about the gold mines. So unfortunately, the gold mines were shut down during 2003, and we have 4 taluks in Kolar district. The main occupation of the people of this district are agriculture, dairying, floriculture and silk products. Here, the district is a dry and land, often prone to droughts. Droughts is the cracking of the land due to lack of rainfall. Chikkatirupati of this district is a well-known religious place. It has many tanks and palaces like Hazrat Baba, Hyder Ali Darg and Sri Padarayara Vrindavan are also in Kolar district. So this is about the Kolar district. What is Kolar? We will be hearing, when we hear a word of Kolar district, we will be thinking about the gold mines. Next we will see about the Tumkur district. This Tumkur district was formed in the year 1832. It is well known for its coconut, and it is the largest district of our state. Why? Because it has 10 taluks. Okay, it is the largest district of our state because it is having 10 taluks, and it was formed in the year 1832. And 10 taluks we have. The district has many forts. You know what is the use of the forts? In previous classes you have learned. Forts were built by the Palaikars. The fort are in Madhugiri and many of the places. The district is known for its educational institution. So, this Tumkur district is known for educational institution. Free education and boarding facilities were given to thousands of students at Siddhaganga Mutt under the leadership of Sri Shivakumara Swamiji. Okay, here many students were given free education and boarding facilities also was given. Another important education institution is Siddhartha Educational Society. And we can see a horse breeding station is also present in Kunigal. The district is becoming an important industrial center of the state. During the present time also we can see that many of the industries have been shifted to other places. And there are folk songs on the tank of Kunigal, and many of the temples are also very famous. So this is about Tumkuru district. When was it formed? It was formed in the year 1832. And how many districts it's having? It is having, how many taluks it is having? It is having 10 taluks, and it is famous for coconut. Next one, Chitradurga district. Chitradurga district. Chitradurga is famous for its gigantic 7-ringed fort. It is called as 7-ringed fort. Inside the fort, there are ponds and temples. So, inside the fort itself, we have the ponds and temples. And there are 6 taluks. The district is known for the Palekars. And we know that a famous person, Madhukari Nayaka, was a famous Palekara. And in Chitradurga, a famous fort is there. In that fort, we will be remembering about a person called Onake Obawa. Because of her bravery, she has got an important place in the history of Karnataka as well as in the history of India. And many other personalities also belongs to this Chitradurga district. Okay, next we will see about the Davanagere district. Davanagere or Davangere we say. So Davangere district was formed by dividing Chitradurga in 1997. So it was formed by dividing Chitradurga in 1997. A few parts of Shimoga and Harapanahalli of Bellary district were added to the newly formed district of Davangere. And here we have 6 taluks also. We can say that Davangere is the Manchester of Karnataka. During 1960s, it was famous for its textile production. It was famous. But due to lack of raw materials, raw cotton, the mills have been shut down. And there are many sugar factories operating. Hundreds of food processing units are working in this district. It has also made name as the important education center of the state. So, here it is the important education center. The well-known Bapuji Educational Institution is found here, and the biggest lake in South India, that is Shanti Sagara lake, is also found in Davangere district. So, how was the Davangere district formed? Davangere district was formed by dividing Chitradurga in 1997. Okay, a few parts of Shimoga and Harapanahalli of Bellary are also added to the newly formed district of Davangere. Okay, so this Davangere is also an important education institution, as well as Tumkur is also an important educational institution. Now, again one more district we have, that is Shivamogga district. Shivamogga district. So, this is one of the famous districts of Karnataka. It is well known for its scenic beauty, and there are 6 taluks. It is called as the granary of Karnataka, and Tungabhadra, Sharavati, Varada, Kumudvadi rivers also flow in this region. Here, Shankarakatte is the home of Kuvempu University. Kuppalli, the birthplace of Kuvempu, is in Tirthahalli Taluk, and now it is growing center. It is a growing tourist center. Bhadravati is growing as an industrial hub. the Sharavati hydroelectric project and Varahi hydroelectric project provide the most of electricity needs to the state. So from this Shimoga district we are getting the electricity which is needed for the state, and we know that it is one of the famous districts of Karnataka. Shimoga is known as the famous districts of Karnataka, and it is called as the granary of Karnataka, and the Kuvempu University also is there. And it was said that Shimoga was founded by Keladi rulers. And the name Shimoga has come as it is said that the name Shimoga is due to face resembling similarity of Lord Shiva. That is why the name Shivamoga has come, because it is resembling the face of Lord Shiva. We have in Shimoga, we have the important Jog Falls, that is in Asia itself the biggest one, that is called as a Jog Falls is also found. And here we have the bird sanctuary, wildlife sanctuary, the famous temples, all belongs to this Shimoga district. And we can say that Kuvempu and Dr. U.R. Anandamurthy, these are the recipients of Jnanapitha Award, also from the Tirthahalli Taluk of Shimoga district. And national award winning singer Shimoga Subbanna is also from this district, that is from the Shimoga district. So we have learned about today's uniqueness of the Bengaluru districts. That means with Bengaluru division we have 9 districts. So we have learned about Bengaluru urban, Bengaluru rural, Ramanagara, Chikbalapura, Kolar, Tumkur, Chitradurga, Davangere and Shimoga. So hope you all have understood this lesson. Thank you for listening. Thank you.